I have had problems with my teeth for all of my life. And when I was in my 30s, I started the process of having the implants put in, and those lasted for a while until I started getting cavities and a breakdown in those teeth because they weren't, we found out later that they weren't well placed. I went to another doctor and another dentist, and we started all over again, and again developed the same problems with the cavities. Recommended to this office where we did extensive testing, and it turned out that yes, the teeth, my original teeth were diseased and they needed to come out. With the implants all put in and the dentures permanently placed, I haven't had any problems after that. The gums are healthy, and I expect to keep these teeth for the rest of my life.